In this video, we'll show you how to swap your Rally 110 and 210 power meter sensor between road and off-road pedal bodies. For this process, you will need your Rally pedals with an extra road or off-road pedal body, a 5mm Allen wrench, any standard 15mm wrench, bike grease, and a cloth. First, remove the pedal door using the 15mm wrench and the 5mm Allen wrench. Make sure to double-check you're loosening the door in the correct direction. The right side pedal has reverse threads for the pedal door and the spindle nut. Then, repeat the process to undo the spindle nut. Now, remove the spindle from the pedal body. Use the cloth to remove any grime or grease from the spindle. Apply a thin layer of bike grease to the inside of the pedal body and the spindle. Next, slide the spindle into the other pedal body. Replace the spindle nut and tighten to 10 Nm using the 15mm wrench and the 5mm Allen wrench. Ensure to check you are tightening in the correct direction for your pedal. Next, replace the pedal door and tighten with the 2 wrenches to 5 Nm. Do not over-tighten the pedal door. This can lead to damage. Follow the same steps to swap pedal bodies on the other side. And that's it! Thanks for watching! For more help, please subscribe to the Garmin Support YouTube channel and visit support.garmin.com.